Thank you. Good morning. Today we will present the paper entitled Stochastic Optimization called Split Compute Optimization and its Utilization on Economic Load Dispatch Problem. My name is Purbadar Kusuma. I'm Associate Professor in Computer Engineering. Let me share the presentation. Okay, we go to the first page. This is first the stochastic optimization called split compute optimization and its utilization on economic load dispatch problem. Okay. Nah, the background is the economic load dispatch problem, or we call it ELD problem, is one crucial optimization problem in a power system. Meteoristic has become a standard method to tackle this problem, and ironically, ELD is not popular enough to become the constraint use case in most studies. Introducing new meteoristic where for designs in mechanical engineering become the most popular in many studies. The LD problem, in general, is optimization problem common in power system. The root is the economic dispatch, and the LD is the one of the derivative of this problem. The other derivative are the economic emission dispatch, which is a multi-objective problem that comprise both minimizing the operational cost and emission cost. And the other derivative is the unit commitment problem, where the besides the power output, the startup and the shutdown of the generating unit is considered too. And the last common derivative is the optimal power flow, where the generating power should be transmitted to through the transmission line, where there is loss during the transmission of the power. In the LD problem is a constraint problem that consists of two constraints. The first constraint is the equality problem, equality constraint, where the total power of the generating unit should be equal to the power demand in the system. And the second constraint is that we mean the inequality constraint, where the power produced by each generating unit should be within its power range, which mean equal to or higher from the minimum power, or equal to or lower than the maximum power. So the objective is introducing a new stochastic optimization, and sometimes we call it as meteoristic, called split compute optimization, or SEO. SEO is built based on the swarm intelligence, so that it consists of certain number of autonomous agents, as we call it autonomous. So each agent work independently without any direction or any mandatory command to find improvement or better, higher quality solution in every iteration. So it's different from evolution-based system, where in every iteration a certain population is selected as the parent, and this parent may crossover to produce offspring. Then there's selection of the population that can be continued to the next iteration. The scientific contribution of this paper, there are four. First, SEO is metaphor free, so it does not use any metaphor, especially animal behavior, so that its novel contribution can be investigated clearly. The second concept is there is a competition among search is the reduction compared to single search or iteration control search. The third contribution is this SEO. The performance of SEO is challenge to solve 23 classic function that consists of 7 high dimension unimodal function, 6 high dimension multimodal function, and 10 fixed dimension multimodal function. Then SEO is also compared challenge to tackle two cases in ELD problem, where the ELD problem represents the constraint optimization problem, while the S23 classic function represent the unconstrained. This unconstrained because the solution can be put freely within the dimension or solution space. So the model SEO comprise 3 sequential steps. It's composed to directed search. In each step, initial search is directed toward the finance member. Then this in this step, motion toward finance member is mandatory. But in every step, this search is confronted with three three directed search. The first one is uh, confronted with other directed search. In the first step, the second search entail directing toward average of all final member. In the second step, the search in compare the motion toward the finance member with the randomly generated member, and the third one is motion toward a randomly solution within space. Nah, this is the illustration of the search. The left below the left lower picture means the motion toward the finance member. The left upper picture represent the motion toward the middle or the average between among the higher quality member. The right upper, I move this first. The right upper picture represent the motion relative to a randomly generated member, and the left lower picture represent the motion relative to a randomly selected member. Where the right in the right picture, the motion can be toward or avoid or away. This is the flowchart. The flowchart start with the initialization, and the right part is the iteration. In the initialization, all agent is randomly generated within the space, so it's make there is equal opportunity of the space to be selected as an initial solution, while the iteration mean the improvement. It consists of the first step, second step, and third step. Then the assessment consists of 23 standard function and ELT problem. There's two use case in ELT problem. The first, the system consists of 10 generating units, and the second, the system consists of 13 generating units. In this assessment, the SEO is benchmarked with five other new meteoristic. The first is quality optimization algorithm. The second is language education optimization. The third is Northern Cossack optimization. The fourth is Kokapura optimization algorithm. And the last one is Walrus optimization algorithm. It shows that overall SEO is better than the benchmark, especially where NGO is the easiest benchmark to beat, while Walrus optimization algorithm becomes the most difficult technique to beat. This is the result for the 10 units ELD. We see that SEO is still competitive, but the competition is fierce among the technique. Then in the 13 units, SEO is also still competitive. It's only worse than Walrus, Kokabura, and Leo, but the competition is also fierce. So the constraint problem is different. It's look like the constraint problem is different from the unconstrained because the limitation of solution within space it's become more difficult. So the gap between the performance gap among the technique is lower. Thank you for this attention. This is the end of my presentation, and thank you.